Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to find your store URL, right? It's very easy. And first of all, let me show you. On the left side you will see a lot of options. Just go to the sales channel and click on online store. You will see this eye icon. Just click on the eye icon. Once you click it, it will redirect to your Shopify store. And this is my Shopify store URL. Of course, it's just random characters because this is my trial mode. Once I add the domain, by the way, let me show you. Just go to the settings, and this is the second way. Once you go to the settings, go to your domain section here, and here this is my Shopify store URL. So if I just copy it, and even though I just paste it somewhere, it will redirect to my store URL, right? So this is how you can do it. And by the way, if you want to see your product URL, for example, let's say this one, so here this is my store URL. You can just click on a product, or by the way, you can also check it from here. Go to your product section, right? Once click on your product and scroll it to the bottom, right? Click on edit, and here you will find your store URL, right? Let me just copy it all. So here, and you can see it's exactly same. So this is it guys. I hope you found this video very useful. If you did, subscribe.